Looking to upgrade your 2002 or 2003 Isuzu Rodeo stereo without the hassle? The Metra 70-7713 wiring harness offers a seamless connection to your factory amplifier, making your installation straightforward and reliable. This harness plugs directly into your car's radio harness and powers 4 speakers, ensuring clear, crisp sound without complicated rewiring. Designed specifically for Isuzu Rodeo models with a factory amplifier, this harness includes an 18-pin plug and 4 RCA plugs that connect to your aftermarket radio's preamp outputs. It supports low-level inputs only, perfectly matching the RCA outputs from your new head unit. That means you get clean signal transmission and optimal sound quality for your 6-speaker system. One satisfied user shared how the Metra 70-7713 made their stereo installation effortless. They praised the perfect fit and how the amplifier worked flawlessly with their 2002 Isuzu Rodeo's 6-speaker setup. Without this harness, they said the installation would have been a mess, possibly forcing them to bypass the amplifier altogether. This product is manufactured in China but meets strict quality standards to ensure durability and consistent performance. It's a smart solution for anyone who wants to maintain the factory amplifier's benefits while upgrading their radio system. The harness's plug-and-play design saves time and eliminates guesswork during installation. If you're ready to enhance your rodeo's audio experience without complicated modifications, this wiring harness is worth a look. It's tailored to fit perfectly, so you avoid the frustration of incompatible parts or unreliable connections. Plus, it keeps your factory amplifier fully functional, preserving the sound quality you expect. Installing the Metra 70-7713 means you get what matters most: a clean, professional setup that powers all 4 speakers effectively. No more cutting wires or risking damage to your vehicle's electrical system. Just a straightforward upgrade that respects your factory design and delivers improved audio performance. Whether you're a car audio enthusiast or just want an easy way to upgrade your stereo, this harness offers clear benefits. It bridges the gap between your aftermarket radio and the factory amplifier, making sure everything works together smoothly. If that's you, this adapter is a practical, reliable choice. Try the Metra 70-7713 wiring harness when you're ready to simplify your Isuzu Rodeo's audio upgrade. It's a perfect fit for 2002-2003 models with factory amplifiers, designed to keep your sound system running strong without headaches. Make your installation cleaner and your music clearer, worth a look if you want hassle-free quality.